This tutorial review will show you how to fix app not opening or apps not working issue on iPhone. So if you're a iOS 17 or newer version user and if you're trying to open any app but the app is not opening or not working, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of glitches. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The second solution is check for any new update. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If you see any update available, then update the iOS version and check the issue. The third solution is update the problematic app. For example, my LinkedIn app not opening or not working. In this case, I have to update the app from my app store. So search for the problematic app here. If you see any update available, then update the app. But if you can't see the update option, then go to your iPhone settings. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. Search for the problematic app and offload the app from here and reinstall it. And hope any of this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.